What's going on, YouTube Nation? This is Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Geez, I'm like pretty stuffy right now. So you guys asked me if Nio stock is better than Tesla stock, and it's honestly, for me, it's kind of like a no-brainer with this one. First of all, if you look at the history of Chinese stocks, first of all, look at Luckin Coffee. They just like pretty much scammed a bunch of investors, and people lost a ton of money with Luckin Coffee. And you're going to rely on another Chinese company to try to be the next electronic vehicle. First of all, I just read something in the news about Nio said that it would offer 75 million new American depository shares next week. But while its plans for the proceeds are arguably bullish, they're a little complicated. So people are a little worried about dilution. Tesla just split their stock. Tesla is part of the QQQ. I'm pretty sure that they were added into the stock market. And Nio it went down a certain percentage this past week. And I don't think that Nio stands a chance against Tesla. The revenue on Tesla is phenomenal. Think about this. Look at how many people go to Starbucks just because it's Starbucks. They want to have coffee, and they want to have Starbucks coffee and show off their logo. That's the same thing with the Tesla. People want to show off that they have a Tesla. It's the new thing. It's the vehicle. Well, you have a Ford, I don't care. I have a Tesla. So there is no way that Nio stands a chance against Tesla. If I had $10,000, okay, somebody just asked me, they sent me a message on Instagram. If you had $10,000, would you put it in Nio or Tesla? I'd put it in Tesla. I'm going to tell you right now. I'm not a financial advisor, but honestly, I would put the money in Tesla because I do think Elon Musk is very innovative, and he's a very powerful individual. I would consider him a influencer with the market. I think he's more powerful than Warren Buffett when it comes to investing in the stock market or opening his mouth. Everybody follows what he says. Like if he, went to McDonald's and says Big Mac sucks, McDonald's sucks, everybody, there'd be people that would panic sell. So Nio, they may think that, they're, the bad boys out there. There's no way that Nio is going to stand a chance against Tesla. So I wouldn't even waste my time in Nio. I know Tesla doesn't distribute a dividend, but a lot of you guys asked me if I would consider Nio over Tesla. And, I did a stock analysis video on Tesla. I may have to do one with Nio if you guys want more. You guys want me to do a stock analysis on Nio, I'll be glad to do that. But the thing is, why would you challenge, Elon Musk? I wouldn't take the risk. I've seen, look at NKLA. They took a big hit. These companies are brand new, and Tesla's, the big dog out there. I would be kind of excited if Tesla bought Ford or someone. So the thing is, you guys as investors, this is why I invest in dividend stocks, companies like Coca-Cola, companies like Unilever, because they're going to be fine. Tesla's, I see Tesla as being fine. If Tesla distributed a dividend, yeah, I'd probably buy them. If I had an opportunity to buy them low, absolutely. But the thing is, I just do not, I don't trust the Chinese companies. And that's one thing that I want to emphasize with you guys. You saw what happened to Luckin Coffee. Same thing might happen to Nio. These Chinese companies, I think they're shady, and I don't think they know what they're doing or they're talking about. They want to get on the American markets, but how can you go wrong with the American companies? I mean, look at all these companies we have out there that are juggernauts like McDonald's, Lowe's, Home Depot. So you're really going to invest in a Chinese company. I am very skeptical with the Chinese companies with investing in them. It's just, I mean, it's, I wouldn't do it. I'm telling you guys. The battery swap thing. Which one with the battery swap? Tell me about that one. I mean, you're going to have to be a little bit in detail with that. Oh, do you trust Nio? I don't. I really don't trust these guys. I think they're, I just think it's crazy. I wouldn't do it. I mean, if you, I don't trust them. I really don't as a company. I mean, they get bigger, sure, but I just do not trust those guys at all. Yeah, I'm with you too. I mean, yeah, I would. Tesla's better. I think they have a better reputation. I think they're stronger. They have a bigger reputation, and yeah, you're right. People want to make a quick buck, and you have to do your research on stuff. Uh, I mean, you have to. No, there's no way they're going to grow faster. I mean, I agree with you. I think you did the fundamental research, and you know what you're doing. Yeah, I mean, Tesla. The thing about Tesla is everybody wants to get a Tesla. The guys that like to I like to joke around, call them beta males. No, I'm not. Look, I'm not trying to do this alpha and beta male thing, but people, want to show off to the women that they have a Tesla. You know, yeah, I agree. You saw what happened with Luckin Coffee. One of my buddies is a lawyer that's trying to really slam those guys. He knows a lot of investors that were screwed from Luckin Coffee. No, I'm not saying all of them. I mean, let me tell you a story about Tesla. So this is after the Ohio State Michigan game, and we had a few drinks at the bars after that. We got picked up in the Tesla. We didn't with Uber. We didn't pick up. You know, oh, it is. I know it is. I mean, look, I live frugal. I drive a 2012 Camry. I mean, I'm in graduate school for nurse practitioner school, so I understand. I mean, if I was a millionaire, that would be my first car I would get. I don't care. The pickup in that car was amazing. This guy picked us up in a Tesla, and it's like, whoa, the pickup. I mean, this guy was. This was a really. It was an amazing experience to be in a Tesla, and you know, there are people that like to show. I'm telling you, the show off car is the Tesla now. I mean, the guys that the people that want to be flashy, males and females. I'm not saying that you're, um, you know, a beta male or anything like that. I'm just saying that there are people that want to buy a Tesla because of the name. You know, you know. Um, there's nothing wrong with that. There's nothing wrong with buying it because you're an investor. I mean, I buy Unilever products. I can't even tell you how many. I got Axe, I got Suave. I mean, I believe in their products, and that's why not only do I dividend invest in them, but I love them. Oh, I did the moment I sat in there. I mean, it's Tesla is an amazing vehicle. I mean, I'm with you on that. It is a incredible vehicle. I'm going to tell you that I was only in a Tesla once, and that was 2 years ago when an Uber driver picked my brother and dad, my sister-in-law, up in a. Let me just fix this. After the Ohio State Michigan game, we went to the Ohio State Michigan game at Ohio State, and we were at the bars. And I'm telling you, when we got picked up, that guy was cool as hell. Showed us all the stuff, and he showed us the pickup. He went from like 25 to like 80 miles per hour on the freeway in a matter of seconds. And he's like, "All right, I'm gonna hit 90. You guys okay?" Boom! He hit 90, and it was like, whoa. I mean, that's incredible. I that's what I respect about Elon Musk, and it's really incredible. I have my IPA real quick, but it's that's what happens when you study for 2 hours. No, I doesn't surprise me. I mean, it's a Tesla is it's an incredible car. I mean, how can people think that Nio is going to actually do anything, or these what's the other one, Nikola, or there's just no way. Didn't Elon Musk just say something about aircraft that he was going to replace it? I mean, that guy can do anything. Yeah, Nikola's screwed. I saw that. These companies you just gotta be careful with, and I it's you know, it's one of those things. It's like they aren't screwed. Yeah, I mean, um, I think the smart companies like yeah, I mean, you're dead on the money. You are 100% on the money. 100%. Yep, I saw that. Doesn't really surprise me. I mean, it's a big risk. What about all those Robinhood investors that put money in Hertz? They thought they would do something with that. Yeah, that is kind of weird. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, I go on these Robinhood sections and I post one of my stock or dividend analysis videos. Like I'll do like Pfizer, and what Pfizer is a really good stock, and the dividends are real nice, and people just freak out. They're like, "Oh, it's not a good stock because the Dow dropped it." No, it's damn good stock still. I mean, that's why I invested in it. I need more shares in that, but I have that in my dividend portfolio, and I enjoy investing and stuff. I mean, you're still going to get something out of it with Pfizer. You're going to get dividends and stuff. Um, I just I think the smart companies too, like Toyota, even Ford, and the other ones, they're going to adapt with the electronic vehicles. I wouldn't be surprised. I would honestly, if I was Ford, I would hope to get bought off by like somebody like Elon Musk. That would be pretty amazing. Or collaboration. I mean, you like the American cars, but all right, man. Good chatting with you. I'm actually going to get off myself. I'm pretty tired after doing a lecture, but check out my videos. Just check out my channel as always. I'm going to post more stock and dividend analysis videos. If you guys are new to my channel, again, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. And you have a good weekend. It's hard work pays off. I mean, that's the best way to say it. But there's, Neo, I'm going to say no. I mean, maybe people think it's like Neo in the Matrix, like he's the one, but Neo ain't the one. So I'm going to just tell people to avoid everything. So that's kind of my honest opinion and stuff. But I just came on here. A few people messaged me. I was going to go live and discuss a few things, but that's kind of really what's going on. And I'm not a fan of Neo, and I don't think anybody should invest in them. But I'm with you. So that's about it. But have a good weekend, and you take care.